The indicator risk type is a route line that has been provided for various platforms on the TradingFinder site. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and run it on the chart. Additionally, traders can learn how the dictator works by studying this page. Read this page. From the Type section, select the indicator file and run it by dragging it onto the chart for MetaTrader 4. Make sure to enable the audio option for Ali Alipur in the comments section and then click the confirm button. The dictator will appear on the chart with the first half panel showing the risk amount and the second half hour for proving and setting up the profile and measuring the risk amount. For example, here I will place my open account below this level. They place the profile above this level and then I will specify my position so that it has a position and the risk amount shows here. If you want to take the opposite position, it will give you an error. As for selling, you need to set a stop loss. Account below, profile above, position to show risk, opposite position errors, stop loss above, profile below for sell. They place the profile above this level, and then I specify my position so that it has a position, and the risk amount is displayed for me in this section. Just make sure that if you want to take the opposite position, it will give you an error because, for a sell position, the stop loss needs to be set above, and the profile below the price for the calculations to work. This dictator calculates based on the bid price, which is done through the profile, and it calculates the stop loss accordingly. The profile should be placed above, and the stop loss below the price, so that it can perform the calculations for you. This dictator performs its calculations based on the bid price, which is done through the profile, and it calculates the stop loss accordingly. In the settings section, in this section of the post, there are options initially in display settings. It includes a theme palette with dark, light, and auto modes. Selecting dark applies a dark theme. Choosing light displays a bright theme. Selecting auto changes candle colors. Bullish candles turn green, bearish turn red. Next, box settings allow position choice. Default bottom left or top right, bottom right. Adjust box distance from screen on x-axis in pixels. Change box distance from top on y-axis. Bullish candles turn bright green, bearish turn bright red. Next, box settings allow choosing its position. Default bottom left or top right, bottom left, bottom right. Adjust box distance from screen on x-axis, pixels, and from top on y-axis. Modify box size, height, font type, and text size. Change box background color spectrum to preferred color. Enable and adjust settings in the next section. Choose the box position, bottom left or right. Next, adjust its x-axis distance from the screen in pixels and y-axis distance from the top. Modify the box size, height, font type, and text size. In following sections, change the box's background color. Enable this option to integrate the box into the background, showing price levels. When enabled, the box overlays the candles. You can change the size of the box. You can adjust the height of the box and choose the font type for it. You can also change the text size. In the next sections, you can change the background color spectrum of the box to your preferred color. Additionally, by enabling this option and adjusting this setting, the box will be considered part of the background, displaying price levels on the box. When this option is enabled, the box will overlay the candles. The box is considered part of the background and displays price levels on the box. When this option is enabled, the box will overlay the candles. Here, it selects the dark theme for the chart. I will select the red color, the yellow color, and then click Confirm. Well, here, the current theme changed to a dark color. The color changed red for me and my brother. And for the right reason, I'll hit you. And then, it specifies my tip. And here we can see that it has determined the risk amount for my wall. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this dictator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.